At Panels Plus, we believe in helping you succeed. With the wide plate framing station's clean, straightforward operation, your framing process will be smoother than ever before. The Panels Plus wide plate framing station fastens consistently and accurately. With a simple, straightforward process, operators can quickly and efficiently frame panels with ease. The wide plate framing station consists of a squaring table and 2 indexing tool carriages. The squaring table consists of a stationary and movable side. Each side has adjustable clamps to ensure pressure is applied at the right points of the panel. To open or close the squaring table, a foot switch is located on the load end of the table. Buttons for opening or closing the table are also conveniently located on the exit end of the table. There is a tool carriage located on the stationary and telescoping side of the table. The carriages roll on a V-rail mounted to the side of the table. To nail each stud, the operator moves the carriage into position, presses a single button, and the tools automatically index and fire, inserting nails at a pre-programmed pattern. Pop-up skate wheel conveyors allow components to be rolled in and wall panels rolled out of the framing station. Frame walls with better quality and trim your workload today with the wide plate framing station.